And my name's Jack Griffith. I'm 26 years old. I was born profoundly deaf, and I was interested in working in construction because I've always been interested in making things. I think I expected to get a job straight away, but I realised quite soon how hard it was. After the fourth or fifth time of being refused work, I started to feel low, you know, I lost confidence. Maybe my CV's not good enough, but I had a really good CV. I got lots of certificates, I've got lots of qualifications. I don't understand why people aren't offering me these jobs. And I started to wonder if they were turning me down because I was deaf. So, after having a difficult time applying for work, I went to Action on Hearing Loss, who supported me in looking for more work. And through that, we found Willis Construction, and I sent off an application, and I received replies saying, yeah, great, come for an interview. I had a chat with the boss here, but it was really a short interview. Again, I expected, oh, we'll let you know in a week, but they just told me, you've got the job. I was shocked. You know, for 2 years, I'd gone through a real difficult time applying for jobs being turned down, and I came in and got the job here. I was delighted, absolutely delighted.
When you're employing somebody who's deaf, there are challenges, but with help from people like Action on Hearing Loss, you soon overcome those challenges. My boss said to me it's going to be difficult, but it hasn't. It's the exact opposite. It's easy. The main challenges we've had employing Jack are communication. For example, when we do the risk assessments and method statements, Jack can read, so we give him the risk assessment, he reads through the risk assessment, and then he signals that he understands the risk assessment. If there's something on he doesn't understand, the site manager will write it out, tell him, explain to him. Jack gives 2 thumbs up like that and signs the risk assessment, he's understood it. If they have the skills, there's very little adjustment that you're going to make. You just get past the barrier. There's a barrier. He's deaf, but if you walk onto any of our sites, he walks onto any of our sites, he's just accepted like everybody else. He fits in. He's part of the team. Jack, as long as he carries on like he's good, like he's doing, will be here for a long, long time.
If there are employers out there, different companies who aren't sure whether to employ somebody who's deaf, you know, you can see here, you know, this is a good example. If there's a deaf person out there who's good for the job, just do it. Why shouldn't a deaf person be able to do that job?
If you come across a deaf person that wants employment with you, my advice after our experience would be, take a chance, you'll be surprised.